This is the Haunted Mansion on Liberty Square at the Magic Kingdom of Walt Disney World in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. The concept came about to have a haunted house walkthrough at Disneyland, and further inspiration came from the Winchester Mystery House, which Walt visited himself. It was decided they didn't just want a rundown looking haunted house walkthrough on New Orleans Square, and that it would be instead a ride-through using omni-movers called Doom Buggies. The Disney World Haunted Mansion was here opening day in 1971. Those are busts of the Dredd family, who all murdered each other for wealth. The queue line is full of humorous graves. The ride itself is very similar to Disneyland, but the building is a little bigger and the ride is a little more high quality, and that's just because there's much more space here than in Disneyland. Now inside, the chandeliers are covered in spiderwebs and headed for the famous stretching room.
Where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour.
So that's a pretty awesome ride. Definitely a must-do at the Magic Kingdom. If you like this, I have a bunch of other Disney World videos, and thanks for watching.